So just kicking back, reminiscing, looking at some of my my pictures that I have on storage. This is one of the first ever drywall repairs that I did. You can kind of see where I've cut it out. Luckily there's a power line back there and I didn't get into that. This next photo here is where I've just plugged it with a drywall board. The gap at the top is a little bit too large, but you know, it is what it is. It's my first repair. I'm putting in the effort, right? One of my first repairs, let me say. I think I was a little experienced at doing it at this time. There, I just creamed this thing with tape and mud. I can see the tape that I've laid down, and I've put way too much mud on there. But I think as long as you try, you know, way too much mud, but I was trying, right? See there, this is it drying. You can see at the bottom there, there's still a lot of mud that's still wet, so I'm waiting for it so I can sand it. And I think ultimately this was the finished product here. Look, there looks to be some dust there from where I've sanded. I think this is right underneath the towel rack. And then there's an angle from a side view. You can definitely see where I've made the repair. However, all in all, not that horrible for one of my first couple times, right?